Welcome to my video about myself and soil condition at my area. So this video is for individual assignment for BFC34402 Geotehcnic. My name is Mahmoud Raihan bin Buhari, matrix number AF180123 and section number 1. Lecturer names Professor Media Technologies Dr. Felix Leniela. Before we go further, I will introduce myself. My name is Mahmoud Raihan bin Buhari, born on 16 July 1999 in Sarawak. I'm a number 4 out of 5 siblings. I live in Kampung Bunga, Sarawak, and I'm a student of University Tunku Sdn Malaysia. So this is Sarawak territory, and my village was in Batong division. So this is my village. This is a zoom version of my village from the Google Earth application. So we proceed to our basics. What is geotechnical engineering? Geotechnical is come from geo, which means earth, and technical, which means having special knowledge. And what do geotechnical engineers do? First, evaluate soil properties to fully understand the below surface condition of an area and design the foundation that structure will be built on. Geotechnical engineering also involves in structural engineering, transportation engineering, construction engineering, environmental engineering, earthquake engineering, hydraulic engineering, mechanical engineering, and geology. Before we proceed to the soil, we must know what is a soil. So, soil are complex mixture of minerals, water, air, organic matter, and countless organisms that are the decaying remains of once living things. Soil is known as the unconsolidated minerals or organic material on the immediate surface of the earth that serve as a natural medium for the growth of land plants. The unconsolidated minerals or organic matters on the surface of the earth that has been subjected to and shows effect of genetic and environmental factors of climates, including water and temperature effects, and micro or type of soil. Soil can be classified into 3 primary types based on its texture: sand, silt, and clay. However, the percentage of this can vary, resulting in more compound type of soil such as loamy sand, sandy clay, silty clay, etc. Clay soil. Clay soil is a heavy soil type that benefits from high nutrients. Clay soil remain wet and cold in winter and dry out in summer. These soils are made of over 25% clay, and because of the space found between clay particles, clay soils hold a high amount of water. Because these soils drain slowly and take longer to warm up in summer, combined with drying out and cracking in summer. Chalk soil. Chalk soil can be either light or heavy, but always highly alkaline due to the calcium carbonate or lime within its structure. As these soils are alkaline, they will not support the growth of the ericaceous plant that require acidic soils to grow. If a chalky soil shows signs of visible white lumps, then they can be acidified, and gardeners should be resigned to only choose plants that prefer an alkaline soil. Loam soil. Loam soil is a mixture of sand, silt, and clay that are combined to avoid the negative effect of each type. These soils are fertile, easy to work with, and provide good drainage. Depending on their predominant composition, they can be either sandy or clay loam. Either soil are perfect balance of soil particles. Sandy soil. Sandy soil is light, warm, dry, and tend to be acidic and low in nutrients. Sandy soils are often known as light soils due to their high proportion of sand and little clay. These soils have quick water drainage and are easy to work with. They are quicker to warm up in spring than clay soils, but tend to dry out in summer and suffer from low nutrients that are washed away by rain. Peat soil. Peat soil is high in organic matter and retains a large amount of moisture. This type of soil is very rarely found in a garden and often imported into a garden to provide an optimum soil base for planting. Silt soil. Silt soil is a light and moisture retentive soil that with a high fertility rating. As silt soils comprise of medium-sized particles, they are well drained and hold moisture well. As the particles are fine, they can be easily compacted and are prone to washing away with rain. By adding organic matter, the silt particles can be bound into more stable cloud. This is a whole soil map of Sarawak, and this is my hometown soil map. As analyzed on the map, my hometown village have two types of soil. First is number 8, which is mainly clay soils. The characteristic is poorly drained sands to clays on a recent alluvium in floodplain areas, on the all alluvium on low-level terrace, on sedimentary rocks, on gently undulating land and some deep slopes. Number 10. Mainly shallow peat soil. The characteristic is overlaying material at least than 1 meter depth, mainly in present flood plains, locally at high altitude in mountain land. Importance of soil. All structures, regardless of the material of which they are constructed, really ultimate upon soil or rock. Soil is the medium through which load applied at the surface like sewers, culverts, tunnel, etc. It is used as a construction material in many engineering structures like earth-fill and rock-fill dams, levees. Thanks for watching my video.